Welcome to Infradata Academy.
Hello everyone, welcome back. In our previous lecture we have seen how to install PostgreSQL on Windows, and in this lecture we are going to learn how to create tables and insert values in the tables. So before proceeding, let me tell you the syntax of creating tables and inserting values. So if you see, these are our create table syntax. So first of all we need to write create table, that this will create one table for us. Then we need to provide table name. So we need to provide one name for our tables, and then under this we need to provide different column names. So if you see, ID is our column name, this big serial, this is our data type, what data type we want into this column basically. So we have different data types like text, integer, date, numeric, boolean, timestamp, big serial, decimal, float. We will gonna learn them in next few lectures. And primary key is basically what type of column is this. So primary key, there should be only one primary key in a single table. We will learn this in our next few lectures also. Then like for this column it should not be null, then this column it should be true, default true. If it has null values, then it should be default true. So it is basically, the syntax is create table, then table name, then column names and data types. So this is how we create a table. Now how to insert values into our table. So for that we need to write this statement, insert into. Insert into, then our table name, we need to provide table name in which we want to insert values. And after providing table names we need to provide columns. So what are all those columns where we want to insert our values? Like we want to insert column text as sample row, column int as 42. Similarly for the next few columns. So this is the basic syntax. Now let me get back to Postgres. Here if you see, under tables we don't see any table names. Let us create employees table today. So we're gonna right click. Under right click you see query tool, we need to click on query tool. This will open for us. After that what we will do, I have few queries. If you see employees table, let me just copy paste everything under this. Yeah, so we have created our employees table. So create table employees, where employee ID is our integer and it is our primary key, so it should be unique. Then our employee name, it should be text and it should be not null. Similarly department, the value is text and it should be not null. Then salary, it should be numeric, and date of joining, date not null, date of leaving, date. Current status, current status is basically text, and we are providing one check whether current status is active or inactive. Basically one employee can be active or inactive in a organization, right? Then we are inserting our values into the employees table. So if you see, we are writing insert into, then our table name which is employees. Then we are providing all of these columns, basically employee ID, employee name, department, salary, date of joining, date of leaving, current status. Then we are providing our values. So under values if you see, one as employee ID, name John Smith, department IT, salary 95,000, date of joining 2014 January, 10th January 2014 basically. Then we have date of leaving as null, it means this employee is still active. Similarly if you see this record, this employee have leave us on 31st December 2022, so this is inactive. So this is how we create our table. Then we need to run our query, execute query. So our query has successfully run. Now you have seen this query has, like this query successfully returned out in 54 milliseconds. Basically our table has been created and we have insert 100 values. Now let us check values in this table. So we will go select star, from our table name is employees, then limit 10. So basically what this query will do, it will select all the columns. Star means all the columns. So it will select all columns from employees tables, limit 10. It means we are only fetching 10 records. So let me run this query. So you have seen we are got 10 records basically here. So our table has been created and we have inserted all our records in it. So similarly we will create one more table. Let me create it here itself. We will create our managers table basically. So let me just insert and run. So this has also been created and we can check similarly. Go to tools, query tool, we will write select star from manager limit 10. So we are going to check, yeah, here we can see all of our records are here. So this is how we create tables and insert values in this. In our next lecture we will learn how to create databases in PostgreSQL. Thank you.